And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. What we have seen, there is a continuous upside in the gold and there is a probability that we can see it can make a new all-time high. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen from 3 days, there is a continuous upside we have seen and a probability was high that we can see there can be a further upside for this particular day also, because what we have seen in the charts that when there is 3 candles forming, probability of moving upside is there. Okay, now for this particular day we have seen it is forming a red candle, but if it keeps sustaining for above a level of yesterday's half around 34-33, we can see there can be a further upside, and it has already made today's half around 34-39, which is above this level. Okay, and probability can be high if it sustain above 34. If it sustain above 34-33, it can cross this particular level and can touch its today's half around 34-39, and a further upside can be seen, which is at around $34.46, which is our resistance too. And if that sustain, we can see it can move towards the next level, that is around 34.52. And if the price moving of this after 34.52, probability of touching all-time high we can see towards $35.01. Okay, and if that sustain, you can trail your SL by $10 or $15, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards its today's low of around 34.14 after crossing $33. Okay, when the price started falling below $14, probability of going towards 34.04 we can see, and from 34.04 we can see a bounce back can come. But if that didn't come, we can see a further fall towards 33.94, then to a level of 33.97, and then further low. Okay, see, as we have understand that the price of gold depends on a lot of factors. One of the factor is dollar index, which is inversely related to gold.